guys, welcome to another video. Today is hair day and I'm going to be doing my hair. So the things I'm going to be doing are going to be relaxing my hair. I got this olive oil relaxer. This is what I'm going to be using to relax my hair because my hair is very due. Let me just take off this band from my head. It's really due. Like there's so much undergrowth in my hair, and whenever I try to comb my hair, it's always so painful. So I decided to relax my hair and just do a simple hairstyle. I want to do should I say jello because that's what I know it as. Chuku jello ponytail. I want to do ponytail. That's the posh name for it. And I have the weave I want to use. So let me just do everything step by step. Yes, I've not actually done ponytail before. So I want to sew it and then I don't know I'm going to do a shabo. If you want to see the end result of this hair, then you should stay till the end of this video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, okay? So now that I'm done mixing my relaxer, I'm gonna just apply shea butter at the edges of my head. It mustn't be shea butter, any cream you have. Why am I doing this? Is just so that I can protect my hair edges. You know, when you shower, sometimes water gets there, and water and relaxer are not friends. That's why it's always good not to relax your hair, like after you've washed your hair. Now that I have parted my hair into three, I'm going to still apply some cream into the middle. As to be honest, and again, don't ask me why. I don't know the rationale. Thing is that I'm a visual learner, I think. I learn when I see things. So when people ask me, how do you know how to make hair? It's just by seeing, looking. Because like whenever I go to the salon and I make my hair, most of the time I'm not even actually seeing what they're doing, but I can feel it on my head. I can feel what they're doing and I can just learn from there. Most of the time I just look at what they're doing on someone else's hair. Even this ponytail I want to do now, I've never done it before, but I've seen how it's done. So I want to try it now and just see if my watching was of any good. All right, I'm gonna use my relaxer. Oh, I'll start with this one. So I'm done with the first bit, and if you notice I didn't put any relaxer at the tip because the tip is already relaxed, so it will keep on breaking my hair if I keep on doing that. So I avoided the tips of the hair, the tip of the hair. So now I'm going to go into them individually. All right, guys, so I'm done with relaxing. So I'm going to wait for 15 minutes, and when it's done, then I would go and relax. I'll go and wash it off.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, I am done washing the hair. Let me show you guys the end result. Well, I'm glad it's relaxed. Actually, it has relaxed. Oh, I have very small head. So what I want to do now is to dry the hair. And once I'm done drying the hair, then I will start the work. Now I'm going to use their moisturizing hair lotion for the hair to just moisturize it. I don't even know. So now I don't know if to do a high ponytail or a low ponytail. I think this here is a high ponytail. If I go a bit back to the center, it's a low ponytail. Next step, I'm gonna be using my thread. So guys, I am done with the hair. Yeah, this is my first time doing this kind of hair, so don't laugh at me. So guys, here's the thing. I think my mic was off in this clip because I just realized that there is no sound. Anyway, I was talking about edges. I didn't do my edges. I was actually tired because I spent half my day doing this hair and recording, so it wasn't really easy for me. But yeah, maybe next time I will try to do my edges and make it look more presentable. Anyway, let me know if I did a good job in the hair or not. Is it a yay or a nay? So that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.